Well, we've had one go down just as I look away, of course. It's usually how it is. On the back cedar one. How is it? Oh yeah.
He's got her now, I think.
She's spooling her. And the trap stick never moved.
Yep.
Right on. That's one thing about trap stick, they will not move. You don't have to be afraid of that.
That's kind of funny, eh? You know, you see a whole pile on the camera and
Yeah, they weren't biting that great.
no.
Then you have those little whitefish hanging around.
Had to clear a little bit of ice in the hole there. He went sideways on me there.
Uh-oh.
Oh, I'd have to clean the hole up a bit.
We'll just zoom in here and
Seems he's not too bad.
no,
No,
right on.
he's not the biggest, but it's still nice.
That's right, yeah.
Yeah, he's tangled up on me, the bugger.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, he's gone sideways on me. He's wrapped himself up in the line.
Well, they will do that.
I can just get his head over a little bit. Yeah, he tangled himself pretty good, the bugger. Of course, he doesn't want to swim back.
Oh, no.
There he comes. Oh, he's not that big. Oh, he's a little guy.
Little guy?
Little one, yeah.
Well, we'll just zoom in there and check them out. Oh, yeah. He tangled himself up a bit, eh?
Hey?
I said he tangled himself up a bit.
Yeah, he tangled himself.
That's one thing about those pike, though. They're a tough fish. There you
That's
go.
not too bad.
Right on, yeah.
Well, we'll put him back.
Yeah. You betcha. Grow to fight a little harder.
And there he goes.
There you are. Good. Oh, a nice one on trap stick. And as you could see, the trap stick
Yeah,
never moved.
When they go down like that, it's usually a smaller one.
Yeah, they usually hit him pretty hard, eh?
Yeah, the little guys do.
Well, maybe the papa's coming around.